Stars and Guitars was an amazing show. From start to end. Total amazing.
We are about to get this thing cracking.
Yeah, that's me. I'm okay. I'm okay. I know the story. I never lose. I'm out of here. Street food is all.
Islands in a stream, that is what we are. No one in between.
I feel so alone on a Friday night.
Like a stowaway, yeah, on my shit.
Adoré, je prie mon Dieu pour qu'il
Oh daddy boy, the pipes are calling. From glad to glad, living down the mountainside.
Back by the ton, see the trick about fishing is gotta have the right bait, but it's like water so murky, can't see what lies beneath. See, she wasted all the time, steady on that mission, thinking he was what was missing, gone fishing.
Every 7 minutes, the guys will move to the next station, and you guys have like a 7-minute date. Everybody is nervous, so don't worry. Idea to get people to just really open and see who they vibe with. Yeah, let's go. It should be 3 girls, 3 guys.
His net on the right hand side, cause he heard the fish were plentiful like blue is to the sky, fly fishing.
Wonderful moment here. Besides the wonderful people that we've met, they basically have had wonderful mindset.
So you've just opened Premiere. Click on new project.
I think money is a bit. Enoch says he has been thinking about money the whole of this week. I don't know why. The theory I have. Flies. You chase it, you don't catch it. You understand? You delete the straight one you draw.
Like, I think it's just finding that balance between like searching for the money and then not becoming so desperate for it. You still got to do the work. What you think?
Desperate is a strong word.
It is a strong word.
Maybe you've been in that
situation.
Yeah.
Hey, this sounds like counseling.
The colors have no hand. I have no control over it. You color it the way you feel.
The Ghanaian star. It means dignity. It shows who we are as blacks. Yeah. Kwame Nkrumah will say, I'm not an African because I was born in Africa, but Africa was born in me.
Yes.
To emphasize the importance of working together and collaborating, every 5 minutes we will switch and work on the other person's drawing.
It's a beautiful sunrise over calm water.
This is the warm-up. Now let's get into the main event.
So I'll prefer we start with this side first. Just give.
Should it be like dark or light?
I think it should be white like that.
We have created so many beautiful pieces here at Artopiia, Art Therapy Sundays.
I
knew actually was green.
Like, it's hard to pick a favorite out of them.
Yeah.
It has like a level of weight to it.
I think I like Hope a lot because like it almost brought me to tears.
Oh, really?
It's going good. It feels like home.
You're welcome anytime.
Yeah.
Twins.
They are all in a different tone, but they don't leave the frequency. I'm called Ralph, and I'm a piano teacher. So this is the song. Get it right, then press it. Good. Get it right. Yeah. Good. 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 Excellent.
I'm Hannah. I'm in Artopiia today.
What makes you relax most? Food. I'm singing low and high, getting better as I try.
This is the story of 4 strangers coming together to create something beautiful. Come write a song with us. We start off with free writing.
Don't think, just write. 4 bars each, but that'll make it 16.
So don't make me open my eyes, just let a boy fantasize.
Let me open up my eyes, let your girl fantasize.
And then we look for the commonalities to form it into a song.
Oh, Jah, release my sweet.